future employer. Hi, good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Rochelle Alabarca Aricheta, 45 years old. I have my three kids, 21, 18, and 10. My height is 5'5". I have my work experience in United Arab Emirates. I finished my contract 2 years and 3 months. My duties and responsibilities are cleaning, washing their clothes, ironing, cooking, sometimes cleaning cars, and especially taking newborn baby and taking care of kids. Madam and sir, if you hired me, I promise I do my best. I promise my duties and responsibilities, and I assure you on how working I am, and you can trust me and everything. Thank you. More powers, and God bless us all.